In this video, we will take a look at the latest release from Xiaomi, the amazing Redmi Note 13. Together we will explore all the great features that this phone offers in terms of camera, performance, and design, and see how this phone can improve your daily experience. Follow us to discover everything about this exciting device. First, the design. Redmi Note 13 features a stylish and modern design that combines elegance and practical functionality. We find that the edges of the screen have become very small, which has increased the aesthetics of the phone's interface and made the screen's occupying percentage reach 87% of the total area of the phone's interface, providing an excellent viewing experience. The phone has a sturdy aluminum frame, which gives it high durability. The slim lines and elegant design add a touch of luxury to the device. The phone is flat with rounded corners that give us a comfortable and secure grip. The dimensions of the phone are 16.2 centimeters in length, 7.5 centimeters in width, and 8 millimeters thick. It weighs approximately 188 grams, which makes it light and slim, easy to use with one hand from the back. We find that the cameras come without a frame, as if they were floating on the back of the phone, which is a modern design language that increases the elegance of the phone. The phone comes with an IP54 architecture to resist water splashes and dust. On the right of the phone, we find the power button. Above it is the volume control button. On the left, we do not find any ports. Below is the charging port type. The external speaker port, call mic, and SIM card port have a general appearance. The elegant and modern design of the Redmi Note 13 combines beauty and practical functions in a harmonious manner. Secondly, screen and sound. Screen and sound. Redmi supported its phone with a Super AMOLED screen. 6.67 inches, Full HD Plus quality, 1080 by 2400 resolution, with a pixel density rate of 395 pixels per inch. Supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and its maximum brightness reaches 1800 lumens. It allowed us to have a fairly clear vision in direct sunlight. The protection layer here comes from Corning Gorilla Glass. Glass is from the 3rd generation, which was somewhat disappointing, as we were waiting for it from the 5th generation. The screen provided us with scenes that were saturated in colors with a precise balance in them, so that we did not notice one color prevailing over the other, as we sometimes noticed. In addition, the high refresh rate gave us great smoothness in the browsing experience. The audio was distinctive thanks to the stereo sound technology and the Dolby Atmos technology, which gave us rich layers of sound with clarity in the audio details, even at the highest volume levels. The phone is AMOLED, measuring 6.78 inches. Third, equipment. It comes with powerful and advanced hardware that contributes to providing a smooth and efficient user experience. The phone has a powerful and efficient processor that provides fast and smooth performance to run applications and games without problems. The Redmi Note 13 also features large storage capacities that allow the user to save a lot of files and data. In addition, the phone includes a large capacity, long-lasting battery that supports fast charging to quickly provide power. The phone is available in 3 versions of internal memory and RAM: 6GB RAM with 128GB internal memory, 8GB RAM with 128GB internal memory, 8GB RAM with 256GB internal memory. All of this in addition to 8GB RAM that can be used up to 16GB thanks to RAM expansion. Fourth, the operating system interface. The Note 13 runs on the Android 13 platform with the MIUI 14 operating interface. Unfortunately, it has not yet reached the new Xiaomi interface HyperOS, but the performance was stable. Third, this was evident in moving between applications in the system, keeping the applications active in the background of the phone for the longest period. Fifth, connectivity. The phone supports installation dual nano SIM card, supports Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi display, Wi-Fi direct, and Bluetooth. It comes in a 6th version. The imaging system. The imaging system in the Note 13 consists of 4 front cameras that come with a resolution of 16 megapixels and a lens aperture of 2.4. The wide-type camera gave us good photos in various lighting conditions, with clear and sharp details. As for shooting videos, the phone can shoot at 1080 pixel quality at a capture rate of 30 frames per second. The second camera is 8 megapixels with a lens aperture of 2.2, which is for wide-angle photography with a large angle of up to 120 degrees. The last camera is for isolation, with a resolution of 2 megapixels and a lens aperture of 2.4. As for shooting videos, You can shoot videos at 1080 pixel quality at a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Camera performance is largely balanced, with good exposure ratio, fairly sharp details, and good light saturation in various good and medium lighting conditions. Fifth, the connection supports the installation of 2 SIM cards and an external memory card. There is an additional microphone at the top for noise isolation and another output for external speakers, as the phone supports stereo sound technology. We find a 3.5mm port for earphones and the famous IR blaster port to control devices remotely from the front of the screen built into it. Below is the fingerprint sensor, and at the top is a small hole for the front camera. The overall design is modern and youthful, with vibrant colors and a coating technology that repels fingerprints. The phone will be available in 3 colors: black, mint green, and blue. Sixth, imaging system. It consists of 4 front cameras with a resolution of 16 megapixels and a lens aperture of 2.4. As for shooting videos, the phone can shoot at 1080 pixel quality at a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Seventh, battery. One of the distinguishing points of this phone is that the battery has a capacity of 5,000 mAh and supports fast charging with a power of 33 watts, so that it can charge the entire battery in 70 minutes. Eighth, price. The phone is available at a price of $156.62 for the global version. If you like the product, the purchase link is in the description box.